Daytime on the beach. Look at them, enjoying their novelties and their relative safety. Yeah, sure, I could be one of them. I could enjoy relative safety too, but I'm not. I'm me. They say nothing is more dangerous than a tiger shark. They call them the people killers, leg eaters, the terror of the open water. I call them surfing buddies.
Yeah! Yeah!
I don't know. I thought it was a cool announcement trailer.
Yeah, it was something all right.
But that wasn't a tiger shark. That was a great white.
Yeah, I changed it to a tiger shark in the script. Everyone uses great whites. We need to stand out.
Well, I'm not changing my art. You fix your script, Kevin.
Tiger sharks aren't even as dangerous as great whites. Oh, you can train them to run contraband, though.
Wait, really, Joan? Look, it's still a shark. That's the important thing.
All right, circle up, everyone. As you all know, we announced Surfing with Sharks today. Reception has been wonderful. The internet loves it. That's totally not true, but it's good for morale to tell you that. Now, I know it's been a rough few weeks for you all. We faced hard deadlines, crashing builds, technical downtime.
And Javier exploded, too. Don't forget about Javier. His desk has been covered in blood all week.
Look, I'm sure he's fine. Also, this meeting isn't about Javier. That's actually what I wanted to talk to you all about. Javier.
Huh?
Yeah, a week is a long time without an animator, so I'm happy to introduce to you all Midge, our new animator.
So, Javier's not coming back.
Explosions will do that.
That bastard still owes me $10.
Okay, look, everyone, it's company policy not to talk about Javier anymore. Midge is the new Javier. Everyone say hello.
Hi, Midge.
Hi, I thought this was for an interview. This is Shovelworks Studios, right?
Midge here comes highly recommended. Anything Javier could do, I'm sure she could handle. Just make her feel welcomed. Any questions?
Yeah, what do we do about all the people outside?
People? What people?
I don't know. A crowd of people just showed up a few minutes ago.
God damn it, why does this always happen to us? Well, don't make eye contact and maybe they'll go away, I don't know. Kevin, you deal with it. And make sure Midge is all set up. Back to work, everyone.
Well, I guess it's been a few months. I wonder what they want this time.
Last time it was because our game didn't have a sewer level.
Yeah, I'm not changing my mind on that one. Not every game needs a sewer level. Guess I'll see how good the noise canceling is on my headphones.
All right. Well, Midge, I'm not sure what Jeb wants me to do with you. I'm not even on the art team.
Just so you know, I wasn't kidding. I was told by the recruiter that this was literally supposed to be an interview.
Well, we work quick.
Some might say rushed.
Pylon, any ideas on how to handle the fans outside?
Bribery?
Can't afford that.
They sure don't look like fans out there.
I mean, they wouldn't keep coming by every few months if they weren't passionate about our games. Look, Midge, why don't you, go meet your coworkers while Pylon and I brainstorm? You'll probably be working a lot with Viper, so be sure to say hello to him.
Oh, all right. Hi there, are you one of the developers here?
No, I'm Timothy 3000, Automated Office Assistant. I'm here to help you with all your needs.
Yep, this looks like a meeting room, all right.
Hi, I'm Joan. I've been working in the industry since the 90s, but I've only been here a few years.
I'm Midge. I've apparently been working here for 10 minutes. I really thought it would be harder to get this job.
Oh dear, no. You haven't read much about our studio, have you?
Not really, no.
Well, you'll learn. We have a bit of a reputation.
Oh, okay.
I'm Viper. You can call me Viper. I'm the best there is at what I do, and I don't suffer incompetent fools. Are you incompetent?
Hi, Viper. I'm Midge, and no, I don't think so.
I'll be the judge of that. Look, if you're gonna fill in Javier's shoes in animating my masterpieces, then you need to prove to me you know what you're doing, okay? A good pose is crucial to properly showing off my work. I have a lot of action figures, mostly from my favorite game, Sweaty Blood. Show me you know how to make badass poses by posing them. This is Bloody Chuck. Look at all that detail. That's how you know it's a good design, okay? Bloody Chuck is the sturdy hero of the game. He keeps his pouches shut with Phillips head screws. Huh, sweet. He keeps books in all those pouches. He's a scholar warrior. That's important in Season 4. Well, I guess you'll improve. Not many animators can keep up with me, so I shouldn't have been surprised.
Hi, Midge. Welcome to the studio. First, don't listen to anything Kevin tells you. He's a lying, heartless bastard. Second, we don't have the budget for a new computer, so you'll have to use Javier's station.
I guess that makes sense.
It's still covered in blood, but you can worry about that later.
Oh, all right.
Hi, I'm Ben. Look, no offense. Midge, was it? I'm trying to get some stuff done.
There's a note here. Warning, Sally is feisty today. Huh. Wonder which one Sally is. Whoa, this thing needs to be cleaned. Hey, cool. A MIT-32C graphing gaming device. Been years since I saw one of these. This box of Hugbot cereal expired 3 years ago. This looks like the audio room. They may be recording in there.
Yeah, we keep our foam dart guns in there.
The store looks like it just goes to a supply closet. That's quite a crowd. I wonder if this happens often to them. Okay, this guy didn't really explode. Did he? Can that actually happen? Hi there, I'm back. So, can we talk about the last animator?
Oh, Javier?
Right. So, should I be worried about what happened to him?
Oh, no. Spontaneous combustion just happens sometimes. Animators just do that, you know?
It's the stress. Can I have his chair?
What? No, that's going to be Midge's chair.
I don't think people just explode.
There's no time for dwelling on the past. We need to think of a way to deal with those people outside.
Why should she get the good chair? I've been here much longer.
Can't you just go talk to them?
Talking never solves anything. Oh, maybe we can camouflage the studio.
Or hire a velociraptor.
Look, I'm just gonna go ask them what they want. Wow, this is a big crowd. Where did you all come from?
Oh, a developer! This is the New England chapter of the Global Internet Fandom Coalition. This is what we do. We're a mobile fan club.
Really? Shovelworks Studios has their own fan club.
Of course not. We're a generic group. We go where we're needed. Today was slow and Linda loves sharks.
It's true!
So you're fans of sharks?
Yes, absolutely. At least today. Did you really think you could pass off a great white as a tiger shark?
Great whites have pointy heads!
I mean, seriously, has the game industry lost all reason? Hey everyone, what do we want? Fix the shark! Yes, fix the shark. Oh, want to buy a t-shirt? It's 100% cotton.
No, not really.
You're a loss. Look, you think you can get away with everything. Well, you got a choice. Either fix that shark or cancel the game.
Cancel the game? We can't do that. It's just starting to come together.
Maybe you could just fix the shark.
No, it must be a tiger shark. Tigers are cool.
Yeah, canceling things would totally compromise our vision.
Pylon, hey!
What? They're right. It's a great white, not a tiger shark. And it's a cool shirt.
Okay, so tell me about this game.
Ah, you're intrigued. Excellent. You know your endless runner games, right? Those mobile titles where you always race to the right and tap to jump over things and try and last as long as you can? Yeah, so it's like that. It's an endless runner, but the twist is, wait for it, there's an end.
That's it? You're making an endless runner with an end?
I call it an endful runner. Or maybe just endy runner? Well, whatever. The community is ultimately who decides a new subgenre's name. We just have to make the game no one realized they wanted. I love making games no one wants.
So, yeah, I'm not so sure I'm the best fit for this place. It seems a bit intense.
Oh, you'll get used to it. Everyone here is great. With the exception of Viper.
And all of the engineers. And the boss. And the tiger shark. And the occasional spontaneous combustion of animators.
But otherwise, it's great. Also, look, we need you, Midge. This game, this is gonna be a hit, but only if we have a good animator. That's why Javier was so important.
What's in the fridge?
Free soda.
Guys, they're getting restless out there. I don't think they're gonna leave on their own this time.
Right. How do you calm down a crowd of fans?
Well, everyone gets angry when they're hungry. Could we try feeding them?
There's granola in the kitchenette, but that's not gonna go very far.
I have a lot of ketchup. We can make ketchup granola stew.
Seriously? That's revolting.
Not if you add salsa. Salsa will give it body.
Okay. Granola, ketchup, and salsa. Does anyone know how to cook?
Oh, I do.
Does anyone except for Pylon know how to cook?
I can do it, team. I can do it.
Okay, look. Why don't both of you handle this?
What? Okay.
Here, add some pepper. Here, add some pepper. Ooh, do something with this. do something with this! One more thing for the pot! Ooh, do something with this! This, like all things, needs more sriracha. Ooh, do something with this!
Are things normally like this around here?
Nah. Some days get really weird. You can never have enough ketchup. Ooh, do something with this! One more thing for the pot! Add granola! Take this! Take this! This, like all things, needs more sriracha. One more thing for the pot! Ooh, do something with this! This, like all things, needs more sriracha. Take this! Ooh, do something with this! Excellent, if I do say so myself. Nice work, Sous Chef Midge. Let it never be said that anyone goes hungry here at Shovelworks Studios. We present Spicy Granola Stew.
Oh, how does it taste?
Yeah, I'm not tasting that.
Ugh, me neither.
I think it's pretty good. And we could serve Ridgy potato chips on the side.
That's a good idea. Everyone loves Ridgy potato chips.
Okay, time to serve up some guests. Let's do this.
Come on, it wasn't that bad.
Okay, that was a terrible idea.
Let me at him. I'll chase him off.
Or you could change the shark.
Oh no.
What's going on?
Code red, meter's down to 2 out of 10.
What happened? What made it drop?
Hey, we're in the news. Terrible game studio tries to poison upset fans.
That's not true at all.
Yeah, they're not our fans.
If we fix the shark, will you stop being mad?
We'll always be mad.
What? Why?
Your game isn't as good as Witcher 3.
Pylon, we're out of options.
You don't mean what I think you mean, right?
We have no choice. We need to ask the engineers for help.
Midge, quick! Go to the supply closet and get an intern.
A what?
An intern. We keep them in the supply closet. Francine has the key.
Oh, what do I do? What do I do?
Can you tell Kevin to keep it down already?
Sure. Can you unlock the supply closet? I need to get something.
Sure. Knock yourself out.
I can't wait to tell folks about my time as an intern. I can't wait to tell folks about my time as an intern.
I've gotta move quick. They're waiting for me.
I'm really excited to be here.
I hope they feed you, intern.
The intern! Good work, Midge.
Oh, hello, mentors.
Hi there, intern. I'm Midge. Why do we need them again?
To convince the lead engineer to help us. The programming department only communicates by handwritten requests delivered via dumbwaiter with an offering.
Do I get to work on the game now?
Sure. Look, Midge, we need to get them to the dumbwaiter.
Right, okay. A dumbwaiter. You really think the lead engineer can talk some sense into the crowd?
Oh, no. That's not safe. No one is allowed to talk to the engineers here.
They've got Barrel!
But the lead engineer has other means to solve our problems. You'll see.
Or you could just change the shark.
What? Be reasonable, Midge.
Mayday, mayday, we got company!
That's the last time you poison anyone with your food or your game. If you won't fix the shark, we will.
We need to keep the intern away from the crowd.
Toss them to me if they get close.
Or me. Throw it to me.
Oh, me! I'm open! Toss the crate to me!
Toss it this way.
Fix your game, and this will all be over, developers.
Oh no, I wasn't expecting a boss fight.
Ow!
Ow! He's enraged. That makes him immune to pain. He's out of breath. Now's the time to hit him.
Ow!
He's enraged. Focus on staying away from him. Okay, looks like he's vulnerable. Throw the crate at him.
Ow!
Yipe!
You're embarrassing me. Go, get the payload to the target. I'll show you how you deal with a crowd.
They're all yours, Viper.
Go!
Quick, to the dumbwaiter. Time for you to earn that paycheck you don't get, intern.
Wait, he's the offering?
We've done this before, Midge. Send him down, Pylon.
The door!
It's not gonna hold.
What do we do?
Hold on. Give them time. The lead engineer will do something. Just wait. Come on, do something.
Holy crap. Someone leaked costume photos for the Racer Chase movie adaptation. They got rid of Chase's unibrow!
They can't do that. That's Chaser's defining trait.
How dare they?
Who do they think they are?
All chapters mobilized. This is a code Foxtrot, condition Omega.
Pack it up, folks. Let's go.
Racer Chase needs us! We will avenge this travesty! Don't they know how important unibrows are?
They're heading out.
See? The lead engineer always finds a way.
Hey, someone leaked news about the new Racer Chase movie.
Ah, the old distraction trick. Clever.
The lead engineer did that?
The lead engineer works in mysterious ways.
Oh my god! What happened to him? Quick, call for help!
It's fine. They just have a lot of bones down there.
How is that fine? How is any of this fine?
We send one whenever we need something from the engineers.
Schools just keep sending them to us. We're low right now, but we'll get another shipment eventually.
Come by on poker night. We use them as chips.
Look, I could see past the thing with the animator and your fan club and the thing growing in the kitchen, and even the fact that this is apparently the worst game studio in existence. But this is too much. This is where I check out. I'm out of here.
Midge, wait! Wait a sec!
What?
See that counter up there?
Yeah, what about it?
That's tied to an algorithm that takes into account focus testing, mock reviews, A/B results, and 100 other factors in order to create a predictor of our expected score.
It says 3 out of 10. That's terrible.
It is. We've never had any of our games score above 3 out of 10. But not anymore. Not with this project. This project is different.
I thought review scores didn't matter anymore.
They matter to the people I went to high school with. I will show them. This game will be a hit.
Ugh.
But it needs a good animator to tie it all together, Midge.
Well, you'll have to find someone else.
Midge, just wait.
So, just saying, this is all the tiger shark's fault.
Wait, really? Well, why don't we just change the shark?
Look, I can't do this. These people are terrifying. There's something growing in the refrigerator, and there is some sort of ritual involving interns, and who knows what's going on with their basement.
You know that's not what we want to hear, Miss Potter. You had a role, and we had an agreement.
Yeah, well, that agreement didn't mention half the crap going on in there.
Your job was a simple one. The director will be disappointed, but not surprised.
What does that mean?
We've been assembling a file on you, Miss Potter. Your interests go far beyond animation. Some of those extracurricular activities you partake in, those come with long prison sentences.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm sure. Our file is quite interesting. Photos, videos, documents. Your local police department would find it fascinating.
Is this blackmail?
This is a friendly warning. You know what we're capable of. This is bigger than you and me, Miss Potter. Go join them. Gain their trust. Work with them. But remember, they must never make a good game.
They don't need me for that.
I don't think you understand. This is the most important job you've ever had. If they make a good game, it will be the end of everything.